Hi guys, my name is Sylvia. In this video, I want to quickly share with us how to apply for the King Abdulaziz University scholarship step by step. So without wasting time, I would go straight in to clicking the apply now button. But if you have not watched my previous video where I already explained the application criteria, all you need to know about this scholarship, please, I would like you to click this link right now on your screen to go first watch that video before you hit over here to see how to make this application. So let's get it started. Once you're on this portal for the scholarship for international students, you would simply go over here to apply now and you click on the button for this application, and it brings you to different Arabic language undergraduate program, graduate program. So I'm going to click on undergraduate program. Then you come to this interface, and this is where you make the application, and I click apply to study now. And then it comes up with this particular interface asking you to create an account. Do you already have an account? Then you log in. But since I don't have an account, I'm going to click on create a new account, and then this place loads. Now here it says identity card, national ID. So if you're a national of Saudi Arabia, then you can click on this. But since I'm not, I'm going to click on other. And when you click on other, it brings you to where you would put your email address and your nationality. So here I already put my email address, my nationality is Nigeria, and then you make sure you type this visual code. So this is case sensitive. So when it's capital letter, you put it on, and then once you're done, you hit on next. Once you have created that, you would come over to this interface where you would see your user registration, that this is the email, your nationality, and then you go over to fill this registration data with the username which you already created, and here you put in your personal details. So I've gone ahead to include all my personal details, and make sure to note that anyone in asterisk means in red asterisk means that is compulsory field. So please do well to fill that, and once you're done, you hit next. Username is Smartstudyandliving at Gmail. Please choose how to send the verification code. So you decide to choose your mobile number or email. I'm going to, in this case, select email and hit next. And here it says verification code has been sent to your registered email. So I have to put this verification code here and then continue. So now you click save, and it says successfully registered. Email has been sent to reset. Email has been sent to reset your password. You'll be redirected in 1 minute. So it automatically redirects me here, where now I'm going to just click on log in. Now sign in with your username and password that you just created. So once you have signed on, it will automatically bring you to this landing page, which is Master Access Management. So this is where you're basically going to be managing your application. And here it says this is my name, and yeah, so basically this is the portal where you do this application. After you might have logged on, then you navigate to the home page, which brings you back to this place. And from here, this is where you now search for a university that you want to apply to by clicking on search for a university. And then you would see all the universities here that offer scholarships, and you choose the one you would like to apply to. For example, I would select Al-Baha University, and it comes here. Now we can already see what it's here, the colleges, education, finance, administration. So you should already know what you want to apply for. And once you know that, you just click on apply to study now. Apply to study now. And once it loads, it brings you to here, to this page, submit an application. So at this point, now I'm submitting an application for the Al-Baha University that I selected earlier. So now it says new. This is now my scholarship number that the system have pre-assigned to me. So at this point, I would have to say I pledge to study in the university. So you have to check this sign and then you click save and continue. So now once you hit save and continue, it brings you to application details. So now it says awaiting submission. So now the system have already started the application, set everything up for you to start the application. So here now you would see the type of grant, external scholarship, yeah, because you're an international student. And here everything marked in this asterisk sign, I believe it's compulsory. So you go over it and select your nationality and just basically pre-fill everything. So basically when you're on this landing page, you see that you have 8 particular phases to go through before you complete this form. So application details, after that it will bring you to contact details, qualification details, previous grant details, language details, university data. Then you upload the documents, review and confirm. So that is why I said if you have not watched the previous video where I explained everything that is required, the application criteria, the documents that you need. So it's best you watch that video so you know what is required of you. Get it ready and have it saved on your PC. Guys, if you're getting value from this video, please I'd like you to click the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell. That way you get notified whenever we upload contents like this. So take your time and go through carefully and fill out all the necessary things. Like I've taken my time and filled out everything that is in has asterisks, and then I would say save and continue. And it says an embedded page. Please correct. So it tells you if something is not correct or you've not filled something correctly. So this is good so that you know when you're making a mistake. So I will go over this and correct it. So when I click save and continue, it automatically checks this that is done. So that way you continue, you pre-fill your contact details. So please pay attention here that you fill everything correctly, because on the website it says that only name and contact details can be changed. Every other information that you provide whilst filling this form cannot be changed. So be sure to fill everything correctly and know what you are filling, so that you don't lose a chance of not being selected. So not to make this video to be too long, I wouldn't be filling all this, so it's peculiar to your situation. The important thing was to show you how to navigate to search for a university, which I already did by coming to this place, search for university. So at this point, I think it's pretty much peculiar to each person on what to pre-fill. And at the end of the day, you review and confirm, and then you send your application. So I think this is pretty much it. I think this is pretty much it, and I encourage you to make this application before the deadline so that you can be considered in any of the universities. Who knows? And with this, I'm going to say good luck with your application. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.